So, what is a pop filter and why do you need one? Well, maybe you're new to microphones and you don't know what a pop filter is. Well, we're going to break that down in this video. Hey there, welcome to the video. I'm Mark Brown from Editor's Keys. Now, if you're new here, consider subscribing if you're into video editing or audio production. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at the pop filter. Now, this is a Studio Series dual layer pop filter, and it comes with 2 layers of filtration, which just makes it much more effective than a standard pop filter. It attaches to any microphone stand with this flexible arm, and that makes it easy for recording in any position. Okay, so why do you actually need a pop filter? Well, when you talk into a microphone, your mouth produces lots of plosive sounds. Now, they're words with P's and B's, and they can really destroy a good recording and make your recording sound very amateur. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to record into this microphone without using the pop filter so you can hear those plosive sounds. In this first test without a pop filter, we'll test out some plosive sounds. Words like police, picking up the kids from school, or popping to the bank may all create a distortion on your microphone. Picking up a Studio Series pop filter is a painless way to get good audio. So let's try the dual layer pop filter now. In this second test with the dual layer pop filter, we'll test out some plosive sounds. Words like police, picking up the kids from school, or popping to the bank should no longer be a problem. So, picking up a Studio Series pop filter is the painless way to get great audio from any microphone. So there you go. I hope that helps you understand just how good a pop filter is and how easy they are to use. If you want to pick one up, I'll put a link in the description below to the dual layer pop filter one that we sell here at Editor's Keys. And if you've got any questions, make sure you pop them below because I promise we do get back to every single question asked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.